everyone, and welcome to the breakdown. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys 6 different ways to get free Bitcoin. I've also outlined even more ways than that in our article linked first in the description below. Go down there and check out that article if you want to see all of the awesome ways that you can earn free Bitcoin. There's tons of ways, more than I could cover in a video if I wanted it to be less than like an hour long. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Now, before you can actually earn Bitcoin, right, you need a Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have one already, you can set one up at the second link down below. Coinbase is the one I recommend. They're the one you see in the news because they're the most popular. I believe they're the most secure. Don't just trust any Bitcoin wallet out there. It can and will get you burned if you do, so make sure you research it. I prefer Coinbase, but do your own research. Find somewhere where you feel like you can trust to keep your Bitcoin. The first thing I'd recommend to earn free Bitcoin is Faucets. There are tons of faucets out there, but it can be hard to find one that you can actually trust, is going to pay out and do all that stuff. So because of that, I'm only linking 3 down below. There'll be more over on our website where I have more control over it. But yeah, so what are they? Well, first and foremost is actually our very own Bitcoin faucet. It's breakbit.xyz, and you can check that out down below. Payouts every single time, guaranteed. We keep it updated, keep it topped off, keep it secure, keep it all that stuff. So go check it out. Again, breakbit.xyz. The second one I would recommend is actually the 99 Bitcoins faucet. Very, very popular faucet. Very, very common faucet to be recommended. You can check that out down below. I use them myself as well as our own faucet, right? I test our own faucet all the time. So go check those out. And then the next faucet I would recommend is Moonbit. Moonbit is probably one of the more sketchier faucets on this list. When you go to their website, you're bombarded with ads, you're bombarded with all this stuff, but they are trustworthy. They've been around for a very, 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 very long time. So go check that out. The 3, like I said, I'd recommend our own breakbit.xyz, 99 Bitcoin, and then Moonbit. So all those are linked down below. Bitcoin faucets, you're gonna solve a CAPTCHA, you're gonna do stuff like that, make a little bit of Bitcoin, pay out, yada, yada, yada. Over time, this can be a lot of money, especially as Bitcoin goes up in price. A lot of these, you're not gonna make a lot on the front end right now, but if you make a couple bucks now, it can turn into thousands later at the price Bitcoin's going up. So anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the second way to earn free Bitcoin. The second way to earn free Bitcoin is actually a game. It's called the blockchain game, and it's an Android only game. If you're on iOS, unfortunately, Apple doesn't allow games like this on the App Store or apps like this on the App Store, but if you're on Android, you can go to the Google Play Store and just search blockchain game. It's linked down below as well. Basically, all you do is try to get the block on the other blocks. A block stacking game, right? The higher the blocks get, the more rewards you get, yada, 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 and it pays out free Bitcoin as you play the game into your Bitcoin wallet. Pretty simple stuff, pretty easy, but yeah, why not when you're playing a game on your phone, just trying to waste some time, earn a little bit of Bitcoin. And number 3 on this list is actually another Bitcoin game. This one's called Bitcoin Popper, also available only on Android. Like I said, Apple doesn't like these on their App Store, but Bitcoin Popper is a popper bubble game, right? You just pop the bubbles as they're highlighted on your screen, and then boom, once it's all said and done, you earn some Bitcoin. Pretty easy stuff, and again, why not have a game that you can play whenever you're just bored and earn a little bit of Bitcoin doing it? It makes complete sense. Pretty fun games anyway, so might as well give them a play and earn some Bitcoin. Number 4 on this list is a little bit more unique, and that is paidbooks.com. Now, basically, what you're doing here is reading. So if you hate reading, you might not like this, but it's a lot better than just mindlessly doing other things, right? So if you want to actually get caught up on your old school literature, go to paidbooks.com, sign in, and you'll be able to actually earn some money, earn some Bitcoin as you read through these books. Read a book a week and make a little bit of money, that sort of thing. So go check it out. It is linked down below as well. I've lost track of what number, but it's linked down below. And it's a really cool, different way of making money with Bitcoin. It's not just go to a website, view some ads, get some Bitcoin, play a game, view some ads, get some Bitcoin. It's actually read a book and get some Bitcoin. It's more involved. So that's a pretty cool thing. Now, moving on to the next one on our list, we've got Prime Dice. Now, Prime Dice is a gambling site. I mean, basically, that's what it is. It is Bitcoin gambling, where you can go on there and you're going to bet high or you're going to bet low. You know, is your dice going to roll high? Is it going to roll low? Versus the website, versus the house, right? So that's basically what it is. I've seen people use strategies to actually make a decent amount of Bitcoin on this, but overall, it is more of just a fun little thing. You know, I would suggest not putting any money in. They give you a certain amount of free Bitcoin to start off with. If you put money in, you know, then you're actually starting to lose your own money there. But if you're just playing around, maybe you'll earn some Bitcoin out of it, maybe you won't. But you can check that out down below. There's also another dice site, 999 Dice. And I've linked them down below as well, but Prime Dice is the one I personally like better than 999. Some people are the other way around, so just check them both out. and see if you can make some Bitcoin gambling. Last but not least on this list is actually a bit different than what you would expect. It's another Bitcoin wallet, but like I said, I'm very, very tight-knit with my Bitcoin wallet. I like Coinbase. I don't like other places. So I didn't want to recommend this company as the primary Bitcoin wallet because I don't trust them as much as I trust Coinbase to hold on my Bitcoin. However, CoinPro, Q-O-I-N Pro, it's linked down below, gives you free Bitcoin into your wallet, like their Bitcoin wallet, every single day. It's really cool, and it can be a way to make a little bit of money without doing any work. I mean, literally, you sign up for this website and they give you free Bitcoin, Litecoin, all kinds of cryptocurrency, not just Bitcoin. So it's awesome. Check it out down below, and then whenever you've built up enough to actually send it to your other wallet, that's what I would do. And that's the last point here. So there are your free ways to earn some Bitcoin. More and more and more and more ways are over on our website. I mean, it's crazy. I don't even know how many are over there. I lost track when I was writing the article. But go check that out. First link down below. Also, check out breakbic.xyz. I'm gonna give a little plug for our own faucet at the end of this video, right? I've got to. And there you have it. That's our quick little video of basically effortless ways that you can earn Bitcoin. Like I said, if you want to put some work in and actually, you know, build something, use some of your skills to earn some Bitcoin, you can definitely do that. But these are free ways, easy ways that you can earn Bitcoin. Nevertheless, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We make awesome videos every Tuesday through Saturday. I'm Nick. I'm out, guys. Peace.